Welcome to CC Learners. In the last classes, we have discussed about many things: parts of speech, identification of parts of speech, skimming and scanning we completed, and punctuation also completed. Let's go for one more area. Our subject is communicative English. Let's go for from Unit 1, the area content words and function words. Generally, when we speak, we make a sentence. Sentence is a group of words. In the group of words, we have two types of words. The types are content words and function words. What are content words? Look at the screen. In a sentence, nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and negative words, negative not like, are called content words. The content words, nothing but maximum meaning will be conveyed by the content words in the sentence. And content words which convey most of the meaning in a sentence. The words are also called stressed words. Content words nothing but stressed words. Especially when we speak, when we stress the content words, meaning will be conveyed and better clarity will be there. Keep in mind. So here content words nothing but which convey main meaning in the sentence. The words are noun and verbs, adverbs, adjectives, interrogative pronouns, what, where, why, when, like, and demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those, and negative not. These are the content words. Let's go for second type. In the area, we have second type, that is function words. Function words are also called grammatical words or structural words. Look at the screen. In the sentence, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, articles, and auxiliary verbs are called function words or grammatical words, which establish relationships between content words and structure sentences properly. So the words are used to make the sentence into a proper structure. That is the use of the function words. The first is pronoun, nothing but I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and the prepositions between, yet, by, like, and conjunctions, or between, but, articles, a and the, and auxiliary verbs, nothing but primary and modal auxiliaries. Will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, need, ought to, dare, used to, all are nothing but auxiliary verbs. These are function words. These are unstressed words in a sentence. So generally when we pronounce a sentence, we have two types of words, content words and function words. Whenever we have content words in our speaking, we stress them. For functional words, we don't stress them. So by this phenomena, ups and downs, we have, that is nothing but rhythm. Rhythm, nothing but regular beat. Nothing but we convey clarity to the listener by following the stressed words, content words, and function words, unstressed words, especially in our pronunciation. Next, go for, you are given one exercise. You are given one sentence. Ramesh wrote a letter to his son. In the expression, we have two types of words, content words and functional words also. The content words are stressed, the functional words are unstressed. In the example, you can find that Ramesh wrote letter, son. These are the content words. Ramesh is a noun, wrote verb, letter noun, son noun. So the content words are stressed in our pronunciation. In the same sentence, you can find that function words. A, that is article, to, that is preposition, his, that is pronoun. So in this way, in any sentence, we may have both the content and functional words. We have to stress the content words. We have to unstress the content words. In the phenomena, we will get the nothing but rhythm, a regular beat. By that, clearly, we can convey to our listeners when we speak something. Dear learners, look at the screen. You are given practice. Identify the content words in the following sentences and stress them in your speaking. So generally we follow stress, unstress in our pronunciation. So you focus content words and function or grammatical words. Look at the examples. Hazlitt wrote a letter to his son. They went to a party. My left leg hurts. My house is 5 kilometers from the station. Birds eat worms. The birds eat the worms. He applied for the job. In the 7 examples in the sentences, you will find both content words and functional words. So try to underline the content words, and when you pronounce, try to stress them. So by that clarity you will send to your listeners. So it is good for your communication purpose also. Let's go for next. Nothing but thank you all the learners. Dear learners, whenever you have any sentence, try to focus on the expression. What are the content words? They are noun, verb, adverb, adjective, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and negative not. Try to stress them. By that, maximum meaning will be conveyed. And in the sentences, you will find functional words. They are pronouns, conjunctions, prepositions, articles, auxiliaries. They are unstressed words. If you follow, especially when you pronounce, you are very clear to your listeners. So, dear learners, try to implement this kind of practice when you speak also. Thank you. All the best.